All right, here it looks like we have a patient who's grinding their teeth. This is a really common issue. Some people grind or clench their teeth throughout the day or grind their teeth at night while they're sleeping. I see this all the time with our little kid patients. It's very common. A lot of times kids will grow out of grinding their teeth. However, if they don't, we can always make them a mouth guard that they can wear at night to protect their teeth. Here at Rodeo Dental, we do that all the time, and we want to make sure we can protect their teeth and keep them as healthy as possible.